Now class 7 English literature book roots. From book roots today I will start a new poem, that is Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S. Name of the poem is Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S. Poet is Nissim Nissim Ezekiel E capital letter Zedkiel. Okay. Now all of my students look at the book and pay concentration in class. The poem is about the farewell party of a lady who is going to leave the country on an official assignment. So a lady is going to leave the country, that is to going to another country with some official work. Through this speech, the poet satirizes the way in which English is spoken. Now, English is spoken by the people of India. Many people don't know how to use it properly. So here the poet wants to say satirically, means in a humorous way. Okay, and there is also a contain a story behind it. What is about the poem? Okay, that I will explain you, but today let me tell you about the poem. Friends, our dear sister is departing for foreign in 2-3 days, and we are meeting today to wish her bon voyage. Lord, let me tell you the first paragraph again. Friends, our dear sister is departing for foreign in 2-3 days, and we are meeting today to wish her bon voyage. Now, next. We are all knowing, friends, what sweetness is in Miss Pushpa. I don't mean only external sweetness, but internal sweetness. Next. Miss Pushpa is smiling and smiling, even for no reason but simply she is feeling because she is feeling. Now, Miss Pushpa is coming from very high family. Her father was a renowned advocate in Balsar or Surat. I am not remembering now which place. Surat. Yes, once only I stayed in Surat with family members of my uncle's very old friend. His wife was cooking nicely. That was long time ago. Coming back to Miss Pushpa, she is most popular lady with men also and ladies also. Whenever I ask her to do anything, she was saying, just now only, I will do it. That is showing good spirit. I am always appreciating the good spirit. Pushpa Miss is never saying no. Whatever I or anybody is asking, she is always saying yes. And today she is going to improve her prospect, and we are wishing her bon voyage. Now I ask other speakers to speak, and afterwards Miss Pushpa will do summing up. So, this is the poem about a lady. Her name is Miss Pushpa. She is going to leave her country and going to another foreign countries for her official work. Bon voyage means used to impress good wish to someone before going for a journey. Now, so I am telling you the meaning. Friends, our dear lady, here the narrator addressing all the people, that is the guest, as friends, that our dear lady Miss Pushpa is going for a foreign country, and we are meeting today to wish her bon voyage. We are all knowing, friends, what sweetness is in Miss Pushpa. Pushpa is very sweet, we will all know, not external sweetness, she is very pleasant to look, but also internal sweetness. Miss Pushpa is always smiling, even for no reason, because she is very warm in his heart and very simple. Miss Pushpa is coming from a very high family, and her father was a renowned advocate in Balsar or Surat. The poet said that I can't remember the exact place. Oh, I think it is Surat. Oh, because I said stayed in Surat with the family members and my uncle's very old friend and his wife was cooking nicely. My uncle's old friend, the wife of the uncle's old friend can cook very nicely. That was long time ago. Coming back to Miss Pushpa, she is most popular lady with men also and also ladies. Miss Pushpa very popular with men and also women. Whenever I ask her to do anything, she was saying, just now only I will do it. That is showing good. Whenever we ask her anything to do, always she is good spirit, never says no. Say, okay, I am cooking it very quickly. Pushpa Miss is never saying no. Whatever I or anybody is asking, she is always saying yes. Pushpa never says no. Whenever we ask her anything to do, she always says, yes, I am going to do it. Now, we are wishing her, now today this party is held to wish her bon voyage, that is farewell party. And now and good wish for a journey. Now I ask other speakers, all the speakers will also speak, and afterwards Miss Pushpa will say something. Okay, my students, this is the meaning of the story of the poem. Next day I will give you the summary of the poem. Okay, thank you very much. Wish you all the best.